Yeah. Is there more cars stuck on the street too? If you got a chain, I'll yank you real quick. Actually, I can't even get past that guy either. Actually. Alright. Is that car up the road stuck too?
Oh yeah.
I got hooks on my front fascia. I'm gonna give it one tug and that's it, 'cause I got an Uber passenger, so either I get you or I don't, alright? I'm gonna back up. I've had to back down plenty of streets because there's people blocking almost every street right now. You ready? Yeah, that ain't happening. Alright, you can unhook it because I'm going to get stuck trying to pull him. Huh? You asking me to make a path? It's a lot of snow. Are you stuck too? Jesus. You think with a little help, you think this truck would help that thing get out or not? I don't know how stuck you are, so.
It was full. Just, I tried pushing it with my wheel lift up forward. I can't use my wheel grid to pull it back. I don't know, we could try. If I roll back up behind me and
I mean, how much are you moving? You got any movement or?
It'll roll.
So you want me to try to pull you back a little?
And if you want to just back up and hold your brakes, I can winch it.
Oh, okay. We can try that.
All right, cool, man.
I'd ask how it's going, but I think I already know.
Fucking terrible, boys. Been stuck out here for 9 hours, man.
9 hours? Trying to catch an Uber?
Uber, tow, all of it.
Nothing I can do to help you guys out, is there?
What's going on, man?
You want me to try to yank that car? You want me to try to yank that car out of their way?
didn't do it.
Want me to yank that car out of their way? Is the driver in it?
Yeah, I'll go ask him, yeah.
Alright. Yeah, you got it chained back.
Willing and able.
Yeah. How long you been stranded here?
Probably like 2.5 hours, 3.
Is he still in there? Ask him if he could put it in gear now. See if it's just sitting still might have fixed it. No, because there's really nowhere good to pull them until the turnaround at FedEx. So they might just have to plow around them and leave them there then.
Any chance we can get him a little more off the side to the side here, or it's your call. I mean,
Yeah.
it's your truck. You know.
No, I can try. Like I said, with it being in neutral, I don't know, but
Yeah.
I'll try.
I mean, you're slipping pretty good as it is. Hold on.
Yeah, with me slipping this much, I don't think I'm gonna pull a car in neutral. Yeah. Yeah, I thought I could help. Sorry. Take care. I got a rope. I got a rope. Yeah, I'll pull her out. Wait, is she stuck? She's stuck? Oh, her. How long you been stuck? You got somebody coming to pick us up? You got, that's the kid in the car, right? You want me to at least get the kids out of here for you? I mean, do you all want to ride it? Where do you live? In Hamburg? Ooh. Cause I'm headed into Hamburg to see my daughter right now. I was gonna say, if you're in Hamburg, I'll give you a ride, but yeah, want to call them and see if you could go there? Or do you want to stay here and wait for the fire department? Who says you should wait till the fire? All right. He can piss in the snow. I think it's understandable. Alright, well, yeah, wait for the fire department. If you, like I said, if you guys are still here when I'm done with my daughter, I'll stop and check on you. Are you stranded or are you just taking a hike?
I'm going to Lakeshore Fire Department.
Are you a fireman?
Yeah.
Hop in.
Sure.
Yep. Not gonna not help a fireman who's gonna go help people, right?
I appreciate it.
You'll have to move your seat back. I couldn't get it. Yeah, it's all up here on the left side. There it is.
Thank you.
Yeah.
My wife just got out of work, so now it's my turn to go in.
You're actually gonna walk to it?
I was gonna walk to the end of Cloverbank.
Oh, and then somebody's gonna pick you up?
Yeah, we're gonna work on it.
Okay. You said Lakeshore or Lakeview?
Lakeshore.
Oh, okay, good.
Where are you heading?
I was heading to my daughter's mother's house right behind Cloverbank School. But it's been taking me 2 hours to get here because I keep stopping to help people that are stuck.
I appreciate it. Luckily, I didn't get far before you got me. I live right there.
You lived before Overlook?
Yeah. You make it out?
I'm just gonna brush off my head.
Alright. resident 9 calling 911. Okay, you're on service at 1754. Guys on to assist. Amber firing the navigation on the way again. Copy your navigation.
We got a mountain in front of me. Once I get over there, I hope I'm not stuck on the track.
Big tree, any big tree, get it on there, have a push.
You got a shovel?
Check your status. Do you have anybody that can go to the vehicle fire or South Market Point?
As long as I'm not on the track, I'm fine.
I don't think you are.
Okay, well, I just got a mountain in front of me that I can't get past. Jesus.
No, you're not. Jack's way behind us. You got a little space in the back. You got 4-wheel drive, right?
Yeah, I got snow tires too, so. Just need to earn myself an inch to get some momentum.
EMS receivers, EMS 2960 Pleasant Avenue between Randall and North Main. 1-year-old female fell with a head injury. Now alert paramedic response. 1756 was Pleasant. Standard 8060 8060 responding. Going to 2960 East Pleasant between Randall and North Main.
My third time getting stuck. Got up on myself the other two, so.
What's the location of the vehicle for you? Southward at Southwestern. It's been going for a bit now. I've got an EMS call for it coming out. I think 92.
Alright, hold on. Through the barriers. Yeah, good.
You are on the tracks now.
Yes, I am.
College Columbia at the corner for a male cold exposure. We lost contact with him. Stranding Amber, Henry, between Stranding about College and Columbia in that area. Near the intersection, 50-year-old male, cold exposure, chest pain. We lost contact during the call. 1757.
Alright, there we go.
Need an investigator tree down on power line 8968 Hammond Drive. 8968
Really appreciate this.
No problem. Like I said, people need you today. Clear my headlights again and I'll get you right to the fire hall, alright?
Thank you.